How to run ads on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Running ads on Instagram involves setting up campaign through Facebook Ad Manager. So first and foremost, you need to set up Instagram business account. It should be Instagram business or creator account. You can switch from personal account by going to Instagram settings account and switch into it. Now, if you go to its settings, you will see an option called as business tools and creating controls. Tapping on it should get you ad payments, branded contents, payment ads, and such other options. You can check for all of this and then go to admanager.facebook.com. Since Instagram uses Facebook Ad Manager for ad creation, you will need to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook business page. After that, once you reach on this page, you have to give in details regarding your account. Hereby, you can now create and select the objective of your campaign. It could be brand awareness, reach, traffic, engagement, and conversions. It will also give you option to define your audience such as location, demographics, interests, and behaviors. Select ad payments or placements such as feeds, stories, explores, or reels. Then it will ask you to set a budget and your schedule. Once that is done, you have created your ad. It could be photo ads, video ads, carousels, story ads, and much more. Once all of this is done, you can review your ad preview and ensure it looks right. After that, you should be good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.